Ren here, still at the SIAL Interfood on the last day, and with one of our other co-exhibitors here. This is Rob representing Waterfalls. Waterfalls have a range of soft drink tonics, waters, sparkling, popcorns, crisps and other savouries. Rob, if I could just ask you, I know you've come directly from China to be here. What's the difference in the experience from Shanghai and Jakarta?
Okay, well, Shanghai is obviously a bigger market. It's a huge opportunity for the right products, and possibly on the face of it an easier market. But we found that in Shanghai that the proactive assistance into the market is much more challenging, and our experience down here has been that we find the facilitators here much more proactive, and given that, it gives us a far more familiar and comfortable feeling for entry into the market here.
Okay, Rob, I think it's very, very clear. Nobody needs to argue that the opportunity in China is huge. It's a story that's been told many, many times. But Indonesia is the fourth largest country in the world. So how do you put that in context, and what are your next plans likely to be?
Well, our next plans, based on what we've found here, and you've got to remember this is our first real trip, proper trip here, that we find that Indonesia is probably the market we're going to look at first of all. And really it's a case of not if, it's when we get started, and let's just get this show on the road.
Okay, you've just mentioned it's your first proper go at Indonesia. You've worked with the Chamber of Commerce through the GREAT Pavilion that we have here, and also through the business service provision, the matchmaking and so on. To what extent, in your opinion, has the support from BritCham influenced the outcomes and also what you're going to do next?
Support from BritCham I can only classify as exceptional. It's been really heartwarming to find such a proactive team, and I'm not just talking about you, Chris, I'm talking about your whole team here. Really very, very switched on and very helpful, and without a doubt one of the best shows I've been to in that respect.
Will you come back?
Oh, definitely.
Rob, thanks very much. Look forward to working with you in the future.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye-bye.